Alright, so I'm going to be going into the public store and explaining how to use some of our more popular packages that can really add a lot of value to your prototypes. So the first one I want to show is the responsive layout component. This is from Steve. It basically allows you to show different frames when you're previewing your prototype based on the component's width. So when you drag and resize the window, different content will appear based on the width. This actually works for previewing the prototype on different devices, so it'll actually look real and appear to have the breakpoints as you would see in a real website. So it's not too complicated to use. It's actually just one component that you connect to content. So if I come over here, you can see it's just this component right here, and it has a multi-connector, and that's all you need to make this responsive window. So I already have some content created here, and I'm just gonna kind of walk through it and explain how to connect it and how to preview it. So here I have a small mobile, tablet, desktop, and a larger desktop frame. You can see the top three have 2 columns of content. So all of these are just connected to this content here, and if I see in my layers panel, I actually just have that in a stack. Then these two have 3 columns of content, so they're both being connected to this frame of rows over here, just also inside its stack. So once you have your devices and the content determined, of course you don't need to have 5 frames. You can work with however many you want. Then all you need to do is connect it with the multi-connector to the responsive layout component. Okay, so now everything's connected, and I can preview this, and when I now resize, you can see that the content changes based on the width of the preview screen. And of course I could also add a device here. If I put an iPhone 8, it's going to resize, or if I change it to an iPad, it'll also fill in based on the width of the device. So that's it for responsive layout. Thanks for watching.